talk for hours about why it's important to show up, but the Jefferson Bobcats are the last people I need to do that to, because you have a tremendous amount of great staff here that not only attend, but they show up every single day. And there's no one more deserving to be the 2024 Support Staff of the Year for Fargo Public Schools than Sarrah Gustafson.
Everyone at our school and Fargo Public goes above and beyond every day. So to be recognized for that it's an honor. There's a lot of other people who do the same things I do every day. We are lucky. We're a lucky school. We've got a huge community. Our students, our staff, the way that we come together when people need, the way we promote, we've got teachers and staff who go above and beyond every day to make their lives better.